Mastering Kitchen Verbs, Boil Pasta, Demystified. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the heart of the kitchen with a phrase that's as simple as it is essential. Boil pasta. Whether you're a beginner in the English language or looking to sharpen your culinary vocabulary, this video is your perfect guide. So, let's unravel the layers of meaning behind these words and become fluent not only in speaking English but also in cooking some delightful pasta. Before we throw our pasta into the pot, let's understand what boil means. Boiling is a cooking method that involves heating a liquid, usually water, until it reaches a temperature where it starts to bubble and turn into vapor. This is a crucial kitchen skill because boiling is used in many recipes across different cuisines. Now, let's talk about pasta. Pasta is a type of food made from a dough of wheat flour mixed with water or eggs. It comes in numerous shapes and sizes, from spaghetti to penne, and from fettuccine to macaroni. It's a staple in Italian cuisine and has won hearts globally for its versatility and deliciousness. When we combine the action, boil, with the ingredient, pasta, we get a common culinary phrase, boil pasta. This is a simple process, but doing it correctly is key to making your pasta dish a success. Here's what you need to know. 1. Fill a large pot with plenty of water. Pasta needs room to move while it cooks. 2. Add a generous amount of salt. This is the only chance to season the pasta itself. 3. Bring the water to a rolling boil. That's when you see big bubbles vigorously breaking the surface. 4. Add the pasta and stir occasionally, to prevent it from sticking together. 5. Cook it according to the package instructions, because different shapes and sizes require different cooking times. 6. Test the pasta before draining. It should be al dente, which means tender but with a slight bite to it. 7. Drain the pasta and combine it with your favorite sauce or seasoning. Even though boiling pasta seems straightforward, there are a few common mistakes to avoid. Not using enough water. This can cause the pasta to stick together. Forgetting to add salt. Salt enhances the pasta's flavor. Not stirring the pasta. Stirring prevents the pasta from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Overcooking. This can turn your pasta mushy. Always taste it before draining. Congratulations! You now know what it means to boil pasta, and how to do it like a pro. With this new knowledge, you're ready to tackle a fundamental cooking task and to understand a commonly used English phrase in culinary settings. I hope you found this explainer helpful and that your next pasta dish comes out perfectly. Bon appétit and happy learning!